to start looking at the numbers and seeing what the story is telling us, we also need to make sure that we are putting aside a cash reserve. What I have found is life happens. And it happens when you least expect it. A piece of equipment may break, and you may have to come up with, maybe $50,000 just to figure out how to get a truck back on the road. And if you don't have some type of a cash reserve back, that might right then and there eliminate any potential business that you may have going forward because you can't put the truck back on the road. So when I'm thinking and trying to design a system that's going to work, we build in a cash reserve. We start basically squirreling away a little bit of funds. I am known to be a little squirrel when it comes to funds. I squirrel away all the time. I squirrel a little bit. Sometimes I can squirrel a little bit more. Sometimes I can squirrel a lot less. But you know what? If you as the business owner start squirreling away little by little, when those unexpected things happen, which life will throw you a curveball here and there and then maybe multiple times, you are not going to panic so badly because you have a cash reserve sitting there that will at least get you back on your feet.